you to try something. Try putting your finger through slowly. Very slowly. Now put it through fast. And worms. You think with the sinks or floats? Sinks? You think this rubber worm will sink?
No.
Let's see.
Lottie did it.
And it, oh, interesting. It is.
So write that.
What seems to be the problem with these boats while they're sinking?
The clay is too heavy.
The clay is too heavy. I have a question for you. What's going to happen if I drop this paper clip in the water? It is? So is that helping the boat float or is it helping it sink? Okay, so is putting paper clips in it, you think, helping or hurting? Okay, probably. The clay is too thick.
Yeah.
You think so?
Phyllis, you have your conclusion on that? Phyllis, you got everything written down here, your conclusion?
The clay is too thick.
Solids with the gas.
You think so?
Yes, we know so.
Think it's solid? Make sure you write that
Well,
down.
you just keep trying new methods. So mine failed. It is. So if the clay is too thick, what else can we do? Do we need all this clay?
No, that's what we tried.
And how did that work?
It didn't work. It didn't work.
So you found out what worked, what didn't work. Did you write that in your notebook? Now, do you have something that you think may work better? Maybe a material?
But you got other fun stuff.
Better clay?
Yeah, like
I want you
marshmallow.
to
Maybe
write
it's clay.
So I want you to write all
All
that
right, make
down.
sure you don't splash though, okay?
I know, that's all right.
I want to make sure.
Let me see here.
Look, we all were
That is a difficult challenge.
I love it.
Make sure you
All
write all
right,
your
so
findings.
write all that down, Bob.
Oh, look at that, I almost got it. Ooh, and that's very close.
So you just wrote about those other things. Now, when you try to make a ball, what happens? Right, so right there. Try to make it into
A boat
Tell me
has
what
been
happens.
created.
Yeah, we'll put paper clips in it.
One paper clip.
Two.
Oh, and so it is possible, isn't it?
You can write it down below.
So write your
in all the
findings.
rooms. All right, and
Try to dig some out. Here, Courtney, come here. It is messy. Just make sure it stays. Felix, get over here. Now, you know, here. Try to make yours into a ball. Ready?
Oh my gosh, it's all like orange.
I got in my tie. Awesome. All right, try to dip it over the container. I know it's tough. Now, the weird thing is,
Ready?
if you put your finger in slowly, what
I
happens?
think it's gonna float.
Now, Ryan, if you put your finger in very slowly, can you touch the bottom?
Yes.
Now, what if you try to put it in really fast? What can you use to hold it? Maybe. Why don't you give it a try? That's an interesting design. I love that. Now, what happens if you don't hold it? Is there anything you can do to help that? What can you do? Oh, it's falling down. All right, let's measure it. It is. All right, how many centimeters is that? Don't hold it. Hold on. How many centimeters is that? 16 centimeters. How many inches? How many inches is that? Very good. Write that down. Any findings that you found about your building process, okay? That is your next. And if you complete that, then you get to build a bridge. Yes. But we will get another chair. Don't worry about that. Right now, I want you to write your findings in your notebook. How's it going? Did you find anything?
Felix, amazing.
Oh, nice job, Chief. Excellent. What about this screwdriver tip? Is this going to be magnetic? Pass it around.
When I clean up.
Well, let Courtney touch it before so she can make a prediction.
is it turning solid after no?
Do you think it's going to be magnetic? Yeah. All right, so I want you to write that in your notebook. So let me see. Can I see this clip? All right, let's see. See if it is magnetic, Ryan.
Look at it. It's turning.
And you have found that it is what?
Liquid.
So I'd like you to write that. I would call that. What would you call that, Felix? Screwdriver tip, or
My dad has those on it.
you use them on the drill. No, that happens a lot. I lose things sometimes too. Alright, and then you can check other things, okay? After you're done with this, there's an antenna here, there's a paper clip. Your next experiment is to see if you can make this magnetic. Sarah, I want you to run experiment 3 and make sure everyone is on task, okay? Ryan, help out with that, okay?
I know, right?
How are we doing over here? Very cool. Olivia, I have a question for you. Is that question listed on your instructions? Is following the instructions one of the rules that's listed on the board? Yes. So, I like that you are discovering, and discovery was actually a part of the instructions, but it's the last one. So you have skipped ahead. I want you to go back to where you were and start answering some of those questions, okay? So, hands down, off the materials. Put them all down. All materials down. Experiment number 3. Can you magnetize objects? Listen, materials down. Rub a magnet on a paper clip 60 times in the same direction. Not yet, but the magnet down. The same direction and try to pick up another paper clip. Materials down. Don't touch materials. Write your findings in a science notebook. So what are you going to do?
No, you're trying.
And then see if that magnet, if that paper clip becomes magnetized. And then write your findings in your notebook. Go for it. Write down.
Right.
Daniel, remember the rules that we went over, Erica and Aya?
Yeah.
I'm going to extend the stations because there is so much to do. We're going to make this an extra long lesson, so we're even going to get to do this after lunch a little bit as well. Your prediction sheets. So move here. Erica and Alan. That's actually listen. I look at
Very serious. What else?
Isn't it? It becomes dry on your fingers.
Alright, so that's what you're going to write about. When you put your finger in quickly, how did it feel? Okay? And then when you poke your finger in slowly, you're going to tell us what it felt like, okay?
This is very good, very good.
What did you figure out?
Very good what I'm doing.
Those are his pins that he used for his good question. Very good.
Alan, now it's your turn. Pick a
All
title.
right.
Done. Take it out right here. You gotta call it
All right, so
what is that called?
I want Olivia, I want you to make sure all
Let's call it a thesis. Let's just call it
you have a limited amount of time to answer the question.
I'll pick up the
I'm going to put this in your hand. Ready? Here you go. We want some food. Now squish it in your hands. What I'd like you to list in your science notebook and any findings that you found about your building process, okay? Did you write your findings? Daniel, when are you going to start writing? Well, give it a try. Don't forget to tell me what worked and what didn't here, okay? Make sure you put your findings in your notebook. That you're writing all of your findings in your science notebook. Very good. Write that finding in your notebook.